are real strategies. Now onto our first strategy. This strategy can literally make you very profitable if you apply it well. All right, I'll just show you how it works. All you need is two things. All right, now let me show you. Right, you need just two things. The first thing you need is your horizontal array, just this one. Right, so what you want to do is you want to mark all your psychological numbers right here. So for those of you who don't know what psychological numbers is, it's pretty much rounded numbers, like your 500, your 1000, 500, 1000. So you're gonna see this is 500. I'm gonna go to the next one, which is 1000. As you can see there. I'm gonna go to the next one, which is 500 again. Cool. Now what you notice is that price reacts to this line very often. Look at that, bounces off, bounces off, bounces off. Now how does the strategy work? Right, you have to combine it with two things. This is pretty much, you're going to combine it with your psychological levels, and you're going to add your Fibonacci. These are the only two things you need, right? So you're going to draw your Fibonacci from up here to down, from the bottom here to the top of this peak up here, and you see that it also bounces around the same level of your psychological level. Now bear in mind that these levels are not a strict confined level. These are just, it's like an area of resistance, not just this line. So you can see it bounced up here, gave you a nice rejection. You can see wicks over there, and after that you can see that price took off, right? Now that's just one way to look at it, right? Trust me, this strategy works as simple as it sounds. Just two rules: follow the trend, draw your psychological levels, and use your Fibonacci. If it bounces on your Fibonacci, at the same time bouncing on your psychological levels, and it is going with the trend, then you know that you have a good trade. That's pretty much it. It's very simple. Apply it and let me know. If you need any help, just drop a comment and I'll be happy to help you out.